Expressway Korea exclusive interview li ngurumida khalai HAC chairman MLA 43 Phungyer constituency wi Oja Kuira Leishio Keishing Oja Nali welcome sadalai.
Thank you.
Oja aje yariwi tada opinion khuilaga Oja li teo mika question han khangai khalai dalai. Korea question sada Oja na politics li kazangwi khamata ya kharinji khikhala.
Relakina the Tangkhul Express he will be very good 43 Phungyer Assembly constituency we showing Salam Sasar le are COVID situation hili abam ngating dada chot chang da bam le ka in firstly ipahi in the hangai jiba itumui mirin hi saklake China arui gazat pandemic hili kan khuing rok khwai kala itumna khalata save kasa kajihi khamtai khuing sakngai China ring phai hidadana thumna yarui gotong li idumwe ningring khilegra or khisad legra jithai khwaida hidadana thumna ra laga interview ra sa kami ring phai gajihi rela kan inangai arui ihi ibu background keteu hangai kajiba ihi khareli professional laga sa laga Delhi li ot saksan ot sad le laga ihi technical background na ra jena ogthi with development kala idhum rai ga sang jena idhum public way darkar khamtaya main basic needs bingi khimaigrek ji khayang adam ni idum metropolitan cities ka thalipam laga aroi mairano songfurano tarrano khangdai dargar sakdong hi thada paila kai da sam phangdak le idum na khigla sadak le hi thailaga ramsong marak khali shuti ghung adam li or christmas han ghung adam li or thada simli ot akhawang ungla ram ung ga pai songfu masa ga pai gari jatla la khare nang khun aroi khigla mai lama khlai tar ma khlai problem ka chong ga thai bak thai laga at least mirin hi hunna ga okthuin mirin hi hunna okthui de le laga mirin hi li I khlata we self sufficient samang da in mi ram li pam laga mili seba sak pam hi khajang khat iwi mirin purpose hilak la kaji question rak jine chen chira la questioning han maman laga brena khigla hi aja atam hi an jika mi da aja election ni khang ning ni chen ning la ka la kai re chen hi iwi ningrin ba men kham tai ningrin ba basics mirin li dakar sai ka tong li sung khang sak kala ithum la pai me da ok thui ka pai chen ithum hi khigla hi mikum wa sada nationhood jiga khangtai ila iwi la ye ga ji hi ka thai dargar sai leadership ne jilaga hi ba idum we nationhood ili idum me yurjat akhawi ningrin jilimak jat ka chung khale chen hi dai la ma sung khui la I khlata la jilik haw babam haw chen hili politics li jang
Jingum mati langda MLA Phungrak highway long hili Ojana Phungyer Kendra we tada richum now pingli atumui kring kharak mirin hili na ka thada shan khui mamai dale kala thege khui khi mamai khala
adang in the first khang ji hi itumui khreli na MLA masaranga election mang ningranga chui condition hi katal dalai sagra jiga idum for the last many years Jingum sarang kahi successive marginalization not in terms of education development laga idum hili dependency with culture hi mi hek sa like khigla any kadang idum we kharing kharakili government li depends ha phungrano laga haroi khigla athumai kharing kharakrano khirano everything government da free limi mi bai or maning kha khigla hi chiwen amara kha hi mo thui bai condition le hai mi jila ka je primitive stage le hai mi jila whereas imphal gatha arui khigla gatha tampak liba life easy samai jila iram shongwe lui khaba jila ahang lui khaba jila tampak lui khaba ra lui khaba na ahang lui khaba difference na le thidla jena hiwi life li dependency khibana chot ngai ra chili schemes arui khigla free na sam ga phang or MNREGS ka tha we khangatai we adu adawe hi khigla saw ka og thui wa lop raisang jena itu mai nawra itu mai khanui thot ping hi ramli unga fit in masa ka pai kaja internet facility makle power makle tar makle school hai milala nawra jili abo ba in tang na matam ngai ji matam sak ngai ji nawra li jena hi ki tha we condition hi when phat kummati longli chi tha we condition li lai ga sa condition when phat khui ga shoki details ka sai masarar ga ji slowly are entrepreneurship like are horticulture farmings are cash crop kathai agriculture la khreli idum primitive agriculture sa sadla ka mindset slowly change side kachung la change side la apple khling are khigla are cardamom tang la ling phok hai re are even rubber plantation like abam gai khali hopok le coffee plantation are cash crop wegila in the gang chen are lemon grass kada plantation kachung ka are cash crop bili tam khui gai khigla ithum be khani thot ping labor salala alai ung khame ayat ung khame leidala higda li ning sang me lui da leizla chen higda wangai na are kachung ka promotion la sad le ka teo na saphok de le chen chi samang mada idum infrastructures like road the basic infrastructure ok thui re sang se jaga mati phanga aru phanga ga khain factor phanga hi re sang khila mi gizla road number 1 road infrastructure development sar aru khreli kharre nang khun la leksa aru most of the areas in the Phunger area he Shongfu Siamai black topping chungkhame black topping rai aru khigla national highway convert national highway na cover mak sa pingji PMGSY and state road in or central funding in saman laga aru khigla sadle jena aru road infrastructure development we have already connected the international border like Kamjong to Huimin Thana Kongkan Thana jena aru skip work la connect sadle pilong wang la connect sa wai sadle and we have recently connected with this Namli Wangli chila connect side chila are strengthening sak by sadly jana he idum he khareli like sai only agriculture like sanexla now we are planning to develop khigla hi business are pesa an katha sar jan idum mirin hi khare hanglui ba laga lui shom laga khigla sat ba ji mening la khangdai showing a divert oguthi rega sang jili swim along the current of the development jili sak phai sadak lene jen aruiba ili hanglo jikha yang isi phungyer generally leidak lei ruchum naw bing he tong bhap ta sar gain ara they have details from the all mentality scheme ra ga da li khreli ba thada what implement masala thada kup khai ga tha thada implement masala uses ti masala le sa ara scheme ka tiam na sala la ka tong thala implement sang rok te le strict le yeng rok la ga athum khalat to ni ji sad le aru jen ara change rai re aru ithum rai sang man le adam hunna ga le ga tam bak li le dak le ithum majority population hiliwa isi ka phangnaw na rai sang me aw ra khiwang ra jiga ram le ha potential le ha resources le da isiban hen me aura within 10 to 15 years lungili tambak li gum bing li itum hen me
ojana chi thada khang shalaga iwaring pha mai re ara ojali thada ka gutum masada question han yaw ke ja are shock tak le thada coronavirus ngi ching jam lag ene le dak le coronavirus yo maram le issue we india we government na thada reachum now pingli india we reachum now pingli covid 19 vaccination hi kapsar phungung ra da order shock hai chiwa t-shirt da ojana 43 phungyer ya 43 phungyer we kendra we reachum now pingli thada na vaccine hi mandatory sang sak ngai ka maning ka masang sak ngai khala ka che hila hang mi lo
question ji relevant question i la hing hang sak ngai khareli pandemic covid 19 pandemic sokai re da chidar ka jang rok ai rek jili I thung mo seriousness pang lagan le sa hi we gajat pa ari lama le imni ji vaccination lama le imni ji ka ji adam li vaccine lama khalai ari lam rai kha ari lam sem so rang jili even ram li khu li church li se ha sa la ari sem sok phai la se ha sa da la vaccine ku jok vai se ha sang rok de fasting la sang rok jila ka ara idum na se ha sa la poai re pol ara vaccine ne da mi sokar khamili khuire ma khuimra hi nayong oni je o marina pi je o hi thai je kum khani lungli thiaw re je ji we thada propaganda jili chathui gaidla jena hi Israeli 100% 110% atomi vaccinate sa khain ramhi jena Israeli hiwi kathig sar kakja hila thada pura swida kai jena most of the European countries other world are European cup langreodle khangreu hile atom vaccination sa laga are khigla test la sang rok la atom world cup la stadium puiting in yang rok le at least he we vaccine by he India mangli ka kap maning nisla vaccine he throughout the world vaccine he kap takle jena he oguthui khang nga je khreli idumi cholera na mathai samra cholera na we atam lim le samra cholera khara adam jilila jang jilila vaccine la kap rokla aro khido jili pandemic ki chungar sira khani jiwe athisur da aro vaccination ni tra sai now prat thar jilila vaccination sa la ki ma mai vaccine sa la ta ra khani jila idum oguthui hi face ngaba laga jan atam we virus atam we bacteria khangde adu chigtha develop sa jili idum na ngarar khui laga idum hiring ga ajra shung da khra nisla jen hili vaccine rai re jen hi proof sai masa mane ga jiwe question la manghan bai hi oguthui ga dong kap tele India la ga chung kap khai ni hili ili hanglo je ga vaccine hi ga tong ga kap phai khibali mandatory ne je la khibali force wa sa ga jangkha right to life right to choose idum we ning jang ji choose sara kha jili wa force changwa masala la hiwa idum theran nisla but when you nana no we rights exercise sa tamli you rights lim sa chbaim nisla nana vaccine makap na gajara nana gajala akujina na spread sa jatra phung jatra jena vaccine masala thi hai kha asam bakhiba na sara jena hik dai la chung le jena interdependence side hi ka phai da khoi igla da la ka bai ara second dose with timing jing rightly ili first dose we jile second dose ka phai ji ili ara June we July we 23 limi jen 23 li second dose ka bre ka dong isi sim ko kap sar gain isabu hi almost 76 77 years isaba 80 gara ala ka bai tong kap sare chili khigala problem lama leimni chen hiwa mandatory ka sak je thada mandatory wa sang sangai ka thal la full force jiba ji I chana thai kui phlong rek jiba hi I request sa gai ka tong le vaccine ji kap mi log ji ari TTE the Tangkhul Express way through in matai lang no phungyer kendra li le dak lai ping kala Tangkhul rujum nau ka tong Tangkhul population teulak chen asam ma ka changkhat third wave viral ko or ka thik sa chung me ma shok hwai ari corona vaccine here kap mi lo ji in ka tong request sangai
rara da khle 2022 hi we election general election MLA we hila tada ngai ma manai re hi ulung hile ojana tada MLA term hile phungni shidra ka chi we ka chi han ma lei kala kala no we message ya really mahang paira
so we question hi ili hang logic aro hi iwi no first question jile ngasun re in a hope kasa or in a rindak leje ara phungyer kendra or tangkhul self sufficiency idum hi arui condition li yang ka mili depensal ok thuile market was jiga imphal tare or ning ka dimapur kare or ning ka more tamu changre chena idum hi mina hiwak ban sa mi hai ka or hili any khon ga char le hai ka idum total paralyze sak chena idum we tangkhul lulam hi or naga bing hi idum hi self sufficient sak wai idum hi mi we khangjon ma jang la ok thui ga pai hi we plan policy in a Delhi Lailaga in a Delhi central government on Sadle in the Yek. Yek the Lay Ari Unsuma Mandalay in the main road Atang in the Hang are international border Paulaga LCS, Land Customs Station, Border Hut, or even integrated checkpost and the young Jigtazilla Shampai Ari plan Sanis. Jidaika ism market hi ituming layli later gateway idum ayar nga lay shock se jaga either we go through Myanmar songta se jaga either we go through Tamu khangtaili aeroplane tong se jaga are Kolkata or meaning ka Delhi Mumbai are lazen jen land route li idum exit entry point is Tangkhul lately more than 150-200 kilometer borderline lejla. Hili exit route akhalam lejla. Hili entry route akhalam lejla. Jana higthai siam khwai aru hi process li lewo on process. Jana idum we aru educational institution ping hi. Aru isi phungyer kendra daila kaina iwi kendra we longly are at least block headquarters he being hilly residential schools kangte school fakat and si we longly school him thala in ka high college ka thala sok vai ana je ithum we ram hi resang vai ka sa hi are process le in between in the thada masam ka pai maning jila Jana, we never know me gathara like you plan being Ungsuni Ungsuni materials. In a MLA, we election the Ongzangi Sinalupa Lanwe Wangla Maning. In a Matailagan, Iwi Adzer in a gas hang no octira, none a gas hang no octira. It's a matter of 50-60 years, Matla. Are Jiwi Longli Masakwila, now the Iwi now Tun being Dilla. Kareli Legasa, all primitive Kiwi Atumwe Legasaji conditionally high milli lava e Nakalewi Kigla Dakar Masagla. We are just merely depends on Okti Sagai. Then he will futurely younger are Kareli during 50s, during even 70s, 80s and the are Morehi. Litan atu condition litan we condition hila makala le size la more aju yang la more it becomes a big town jan are integrated check post le size la chiu adam li isi we tangkhol now being hina khamataya Manipur government la khang daily la responsibility phung la le ka sa sar me cha tam ni isi we khiba ran no yang amingam pan lim chili Manipur we decision making li pam sa sar jin chi adam ni kongkan thana la aru namli li la or mning ka pilong li la chili simultaneously come aru khigla more with hada sami sa ni gja aji idumi keep condition later we would have laying of fuaka idumi control li akhle sarla idumi control laying of fukali later malay mane aru imphal la idumi maning mane mina control sai more mina control sai ukruli laying fukorla ukruli what just idumi internal idum local way consumption way khigla maizla kajang khat business ka je adam liba ukruli kaum sabai kajang bi morally per day transaction ka sa ar imphal per day transaction ka sa ukrul compare sabai ukrul we local consumption way khigla thang way yo khayor way tuinizla chen ajon thang idum way unofficially ar kadahang illegal jirle aru jang namli wena aru ot khuishok khuijang kasahi per day transaction hi covid mararang ga jili per day transaction it is in terms of 10 20 30 crores per day chachila per day per night kazat ni jila chida da kumpai da sani ja ara covid sao khigla la sao Jena border the seal sao, Jen Aruhi, Maxan. Aru now the situation Matasanga, itum Jigta Saga, itum businessman, entrepreneur, businessman, Teola, shampoo size, Aru COVID bang, some Sargahin, Chi Ogutina, Taser in a Mahangla. Higda he itum with future, but I like an hilly, laying a Fugasham Gaji, itum with business center, trade center Gaji, Higasham he, Aru Dankulung lately. Siam ka bai most viable kasa pami arui hiwi Phunger assembly constituency lungli laizela Phunger assembly constituency manglila 150 kilometer hi borderline lay anywhere itum na siam bai most fertile la sai strategic la sai hilly terrain la chaksilak lama jimne ara Myanmar wak lang nai thada athumile Indo Myanmar friendship road ta khajatle Jimang lamaning la issue kigla hi border jili Songfu aka parallel to the border Songfu aka siam kha aru yang and proposal la sarle hi khareli wa khain ka teuga discrepancies legend ministry na hanung lu gain hi aru border guarding force jiga aru asam rafa basin jirle asinda Asi check post main check post vehicle movement key is it movement asi check post khani maimre then all the roads should terminate from Khudeng Thabi jilaga asin observation le haida arui hi chiba je keteo gang sam le arui border road pasili tai am sa laga arui ji ji Songfu ji alignment la siam le khreli PWD ne siam sa ne jena border road pasina asi ba na ka sa na phamera da arui chatrik wena Laga ram chatrik chili kongkan thana arui ki pilong skip jen chili joro jen kingseng namli wangli chita laga arui yangopok chi phawla kwatha ji phawla ga more tagis chita ga idum chiwi Songfu ji le ha ga khipale ga depend salim re will be self sufficient jiga chiwi ayar when the kuyongra idum will lungli yora idum will throena khang teli la chosok ragji jen he will ningrin jen he will adam hili in alungli ma jobai yarina leisida kabangra mi lo ki khamai sare ji khamai ji yaru bang khamai sakis future ka yarina as no or saimam shumne kiglam sam ne jiga ji in ki hangura I request hadle in ningrin wala in kara de la phningi within 4 years li 1.5 year wa COVID li chadai in exactly odd kasahi 2.5 years 2.5 years li Shongfu main Kamatai Shongfu Arui from Sangsak to Tengnopal. Kaphawi Arui Kupradli. Chungkame portion of Kupkaini. Ji main Infal Ukrul Wena Infal Matala More Jangrajiga Infal Sangsak Tengnopal Jipaula Tagis. Then he almost all the villages cover Sags. Pungyar Kendra and Kasom. Pungyar block na Kasom block cover sai. Then Arui Kamjong to Arui Humin Tana Kongan Tanak Jibai. Then Arui Kangpat Kono Jita Laga Jilla Arui BIPL Nasadle Jilla or the 2 lane with Hadakland, the international border of how Shongfunde. Then Arui Humin Tana Wena. Sorry, Nambisa Wena. Nambisa Wena, Kangpat Kulen, a Kangpat Kuno Kangpat Kulen, Jena Ara, Kigla, Kangkum Paulaga, Kashung, Atangwe in the Gang, 102A, ST Road, Sangsak Tengnopal Road. He buy the Gang Shun Kwa Hilla, already approved Sagan. Hilla Shongfu Shampo, or Tong Lajili, Tonga, Still Bridge Saga Sham Kwa Jilla, approved Saira, Jondong, Kamjong Gali. Chief Minister na jila foundation stone lays hagai. Then he had a basic infrastructure mea chili idumwe skeleton was him guy nizla chili aphi sangi chili sang aru sangaugi aphi sangi je adam mili aru isum network connectivity khareli in campaign gazat adamli in a sangsakli iwi sim khurli call sakjin. Aro signal masam banglu imroko 2016 li laisilak zila phaniungka sangsak makan ura jage katong ithum garing sam laga ijjawe sim khurli kol sajla ara network malai limre ithum hi hapta ka jang 2 days jang 3 days jang rak ji hi katong paw hang phung laga joina process sajla jan hi kasom mak jigla kasom jang sungai re jage joina phone sao Itum Jivak Jangaruga Nero Sambang Limrek Hang like that Ara Namli Wang the end the issue phone lim tweedly. Sakring being end the Ara Saka by no Wang Kuyung making Kayak Samang the Matweedle. Then itum human memories are very short. Short Salak Zidla. Then the Karewu condition Malaysar Gara. Jana kreli in a pungerly gatamli or kang daily gazette adamli araka somwa kata atamli. Shongfu hit had a shamlo, Shongfu sham kubaga, na pop kauragzilla. Then a sami quack kang damelim nizilla. Arak kang tipping abam jiliwala. None idam the kisami adam muti the great. Jana idumwe memory short salake. Jana he what it tak salaga dong could be sangai zilla. Kadhalala funds are limited. 60 ml hinga pai rock jitla. Ngapai kang rock iwi the ngapai kang rock saro. Chili ngapai kang sapa the ngapai thai mai thui jiba na khui mai jitla. Jan hi we atam hiliba tikla iwa hope le ningrin wa I next tarmakala salwi le in the tadak iwi ningrin binji ko bai ta in the Tadang Samkuyamre, Arijanga Iwi halfway lately. Then Yaruya suffering Jiwin lately.
Song I know Ojali Ari Ojanaka hang tada Kangabai here, a bite tape from Gizine. Jena in a rumway, I mean, much halagrangajilla, Ojana, Junga mentioned Sire or Jibing Jilla, Ojana, Otmanga, Hogaquilaga, process Talina Sami Kaichu, Wang Ojalin, Junkaning Shimi delay. A real radically election Jilla. Kalagragaje shit kasang nana kalay tada iu ling lele ning shi ara question ni tada matang tang sa tam man say sahampung area li kalay jiwi shongfu jiwi maram jili tada neglect kalay dele da kashala shaye tum nala jiwi jili mi bing la panglagi na kamutui le matui dele hi kya kai na tang da mushung kala laga mushunga jaga kiwang ka tada chikithai jila nana kamahangi paira
Arui Sampung block Kaji Hili neglect Samlem. Arui Sampung block he almost 60% he Kigla 44 Ukrul AC 44 ukrul esi aro songfu problem lai ga ji portion ping ji ji 80% ni 44 ukrul esi win aro chili songfu problem lai ga ji ping ji mapum jing shui roni ron sak aro pusing jena khayang aro khayang phungtha hi bing hi kamdai khub nei zla aro sampung blok le sampung hila ok 44 okrul ac wi alung lig jang I wi kendra lig 43 phungyer lig jang hi wa chatrik khuno chatrik kholen chahong khuno jena aro chamu jena aro khiglen aro kachaufu jena aro chatrik khuno khulen aro chahong hi aro songfu PMJSY im thalain sadli adang hangdak le main khamta ya hangdak le samphung roni ron sak mapum jingsui pusing hiping hi hile PMJSY road radle jila atham le shem de kha jiwi area we gradient masung mam sung ne jiwi kateo ka jili khigla le area na la maring pha la kha le jen aro odi hol sa la kle ni jila jiwi je jen hili neglect ka saw khi gam le ni iwi area we ping jo water supply la sangsa kan not any one of the villages are left jili water supply ko tong in terms of lakhs we khigla water supply scheme na sangsar development aru implement sama mandale jena aru electricity power supply hila kreli ina mararang ga jiwi sampung area hi off grid electrification jang aru khangja normal line li ka tingba maning la off grid we program ni sangsa off grid jiga solar na ijja we simni sarmi khwai ka sa jile sangsa achakum jang ju completion record sa jen arwi on grid li connect sa khwai adam kha changi jen arwi samphung le neglect sakhi galama le mane hi dada kham tu ne jiwi issue area le hangdak le matu mau kot we khigla we chatrik khuno we jong khuno hi area hi arwi PMJSY na song khana koilas thawra de le matek ar kamjong wenda kong tan nai koilas thara gaine jiwen asan ga chatrik ka we naman lok we adung ka ja ar koilas thaman khwai sadak le jan neglect samle ni jen samphung we khangtei I we generally mak jang ji I mahangram re ka I we generally ga jang bing jo arwi thada sakbai ko tong sad le ki la neglect sami ga lam le ni jen arwi power supply we ji khamtai power supply we ji kreli off grid connect sa jen ar on grid on khwai hi atam kha jam proposal mi ka la ga ji sanction sang sa la sa gen jen kreli proposal ma mi ka pai ji la ka ji off grid we scheme ji jat mahung da le la ga ji khiglam sa ba jin da off grid we ji le in propose ka sa meaning kreli propose sai sa ji tai
the item the ningli dau khle laga yarin mi tu de khle jo ajanam thalang in the thar khami wangla ning shi jong ko phongshok ta laye ara ari HAC ma bung phado ot masa shok ka pai hi khina lakhla ka ji hila thada thengai kala HAC member ping na thada cooperation ma ming rok thula or maning kha thada masa shok ka pai thada alungli thada pandak lei jitla jan hi khina lakhla ka ji hila
HAC hi kachang khat ba HAC gi ji hi ila ji da phaning sai jang ina Delhi li bam ga jang I hi 30000 record li I office le sai o office ga I le sin ina maintain sai da jili court jili bam da le la ga I chamber li I lawyer maning ka engineering with la ka court ji maintenance ji area ji maintain sai da jili court we premise alung jili I office lazy jen lawyer being advocate being he thada athamli chili ina whatsapp room laga athamli le ina ngahan laga hi arui constitutional expert being li athamli interpret sang sakhwai adu dal I hot na size la kaja article 371C or hill area committee kaji hi khilakhrek ji thei gwaida ino tra hot na sai che adam ni ina ka thayena aju ina hill area committee ong singli hili chatak le alung we files are khiglali ajagum we September ka jangli I hill area committee ka pangkhui jan chili covid alung ni ne je covid alung li chili in office li bam laga file se ka tong yang sarjin document ni yang sarjin khayang atam le yarui na matui dak le laga mina matui dak le hi aina in reality tra khang dei le mathayim da hill area committee maram hili thada tra kham matui dak le bingi ami khang biau bing na mafu describe ka sa thak mathai kha thalain mathai kha mi na hang ji sa laga ma kham tuin ami khang biau mi na hang ji sa la kham tuin ni jla really exactly khigra je ami ge na mathai thula jena kham tui ji thada kada hangra jili machat na ga bai majang ga bai la thik matui dele hill area committee ki ji it is a committee ki jine mina ka chung khana khim dui gra jiga hi executive power la le rek executive power hill area committee na masing bai India hi 3-tier system in the system in akana first pana legislative jibajina law legislature ji speaker na la a speaker na phungi assembly we had the speaker. The head of the legislative is the speaker. Chen chiwithile executive later. Athumna law legislature ha athishoda what sakana sagi ji executive ping. Chiwi head china legislative head akalaira chiwi aru executive head pahina prime minister or the chief minister na executive head sars. Ara chili third pillar bahina khigla jaga china judiciary na ki yangra jaga executive binginda legislative na resolution or act shem ghai athisora ot saga masa or constitution ji adhar sa lag ot saga masa problem he ka dong judiciary na ki chen chiwi kathum jina iji chawe part independently phungjila jena athang we hill area committee we executive pa he issue are tribal and hills affairs da tribal affairs and hills da chili executive li jangla asina executive charge la chiwe ajingli autonomous district council da tahai mi jila chibing da locally ground li sak faida jen hili execute masamane hill area committee na khigla mi kha athisoda masamne ke ji malaimne kotong sa sardle hill area committee hina any bill or any act pertaining to any bill jang assembly li introduce hagi ji bill hi if it is affecting directly or indirectly hill area committee li refer sar hill area committee na discuss sar maya jiga asina assembly li put up sar chili pass agin mam ya kha hill area committee na mam ya ka pass ma sapai ajra song da ek pass sa ka tong hill area committee with through in jat since 2017 idom na raphung gai withili kiba ka bypass sam kha khareli arui 2016 we district ka sojili hill area committee we or khangtai we khigala consent lam khuimne athomna ning saksa in sawi ka ajuba higda we idom we khiglali bypass ai laga sa khalam jangni jen hill area committee ne yang sangi khamadaya ek rule hi ka sem hi hili khamadaya on jena kaja ek any state government ka sem hi hill area hill people being wang effect sa gam sa kana ji ithum study sa ki ni
Ari HAC member ping na cooperation ma ming rok thu gi ka maninga CM na game rio bang khai la laga HAC member ping we attendance record ma mi paira
Ari issue we hilere committee hi adang in the khang tha da hi we functioning he totally assembly akhawi ka just state akhawi assembly we chiwe amayuk chiwe ngarai ka cha tha da function sa jila like assembly within the assembly akhawi lungli assembly akhaklai ka chiwe function chiwe meeting ka bam chiwe procedure ka tong he rules of procedure and conduct of business li jachila diwa thishur jachila jen hili in a manipulate sangai da or in a kigla sangai da sak bai ningjila hi we agenda sangra hi we hi kigla kara or issue meeting hot within 15 days 7 days or kigla sala meeting hing hot la assembly ka pam bai nang rai cha procedure nang rai cha chili assembly ka pam hi le quorum ka pha ma ka pha jela lai jila jen issue we hi Kapung we MLA bingi ramla kata tali pamuro. Jan ijau assembly constituency li hanunga jadai ka hanungi la pharak kata lalai problem lai kai kana hiwi chiwi problem lai hini minister bing na athum executive power exercise ha ka jatli hiwa majang khara or hi dai la ka chung lai jla and many times idum hi koruma phamda khigla meeting shon khai la lai kapte Kono ma phajen jena hili mai kigla nan attendance mi bai ji jiwa in ga tha da attendance ko tong li yaw cha tra se jiwa through proper channel na nasin da rapo ga jiwa it ji mi bai khiba me da kya ka me khiwi krek ji jiwa assembly record dai sare jiwa jo ilima pola la jiwa assembly secretary lipo kala athamna tadam yawmre jena hi issue cooperation mi khangrok ma mi khangrok chila in ka thada hangura hiwa ijau responsibility no jena ari chief minister na hili interfere ka sa ka ji malai mani ka ji hiwa ek akha ina athang khang ji assembly li any bill ka introduce sa tamli he kapung wibang directly or indirectly relates had like a hill area committee na chili higla sakis assembly we ot nga root and executive power hi nga tai hang ek ji aru ithum hi baiwa understood saran ne jila jena hi assembly we otly executive interfere sa bai
Ari HAC member ping dialogue in the NPF candidate ping Ari election campaign le 371C hui main agenda ka sada chatale ya kala MLA sa ga in the assembly le tuyak la mum tu samla da mum tu samna ga ji hila da radale chena maram hi mathami paira
Ari hill area committee kajiwe kigla hi article 371C ajing likran article 371C na power milaga are jiwe ajingli hill area committee form ga sanizla jang jena hill area committee ot ngarot in the kigra jaga athang oi bill bingji assembly li any bill raka state li I mean are kapung li direct relate time kasa or indirect relate kasa like to introduce harajin jena in the meantime akana kigra jaga any matter pertaining to hills hill area committee na discuss sabai discuss ka laga hill area committee na resolution na assembly li migiz ne jang assembly li ba migiz not individual akana chili khamatuije kakhalat malay hill matters jaga itum hill area li discuss ara ju resolution and move sagis jen assembly li matui sang khwai dakar masam ni or anything like any related things for development adu da matui bai kha hill area we jai ga jili matui khwai dakar masam ni resolution and move sagis npf mangla maning hili election li khamtui hi bjp la matui Congress la matui dele npf npf mang maning hill area committee any political party social workers any dikdom hari na yang hi matui sarjin jena election ka ga jangau da npf mangli thada npf na masam ne npf na masam ne dam matui jila aru hill area committee hili at least npf hina mi chi shat ka sala we can do whatever we want our npf hill area committee proper function sang sak ke da sala la issue hill area committee we composition hi congress npf mati mang out of 20 npf is 4 majority la makhoim ne chilila congress na majority same le de bjp la le chili party mix up san chili majority makhoi thu da idum na machuk la mong masa sok ka pai that always against ka sa khal le fogila as assembly ga pamli ba hill area committee meeting ga pamli hill area li ba political line ma khai si jihaw re yang ka jang khat hi sa sek ja dam le ba ji mong ta le mong sa bai chena hi npf na mag saw lam ne ko tong sa sar le ajo assembly li bill pass ka sarno khi ka sarno hill area committee bypass hala ka jat ajura song dam le hill area committee on ngarut wa issue we kapung interest preserve ka sa protect ka sa hi darkar sa ne hi kham tai ne jan ajura song da any against the interest of the hill people bill pass ha khai male
ojana HAC we chairman sada jingum akhava makarang raya China chi we lunglila thada covid hina ka sak kachung khala thada laisare kha nana singhai we thili kyot manga khima mayara kala nana khi singama mayara kala na we term tyo me kha tai da khale alungli khima mai sami kha mai muchuk talai
are first in hangai ba power and functions hill area committee we power and functions mi jitla ka hill area committee we chairman we power and functions malai jitla athang in the firstly hangdala chairman ga ji committee bam khwai we chairman power and functions mang wam ne issue we rules of procedure and conduct of business jili state assembly we jili idum na khyang adam ne hill area committee we power malay chairman we power malay function lam lay function means only he should sign the collective resolution taken and forward it meeting conduct sara resolution mang sign sagis for all the members athumi mahut sada sign sagis mang nathum nala are rules of procedure and conduct of business sipaing lo thada chili ka pisar dal China power and functions of chairman of hill area committee mang majang ne chile kha power and functions of hill area committee bachang jila power and functions of hill area committee he is adc one of the main kilane China he power and functions he keep on exercise how TAN hills and autonomous district council na exercise are chili aro isina subcommittee akapanghaitle jiwi subcommittee ji to study the power and functions of hill area committee I mean autonomous district council we power and functions ji modify sakwai khareli kasoi problem khalai machat nak bai ka chung khalai ji ara modify sa laga shem khui kwai da roi khiglele isina subcommittee akapangle chairman akapanghaitle jena aroi ji report mi kai kha accordingly itum da adhang in gang thal assembly li put up saure assembly issue resolution ji put up sar atham na ji pass up atham na passum samra ji ka governor li bagis jena hili in September 2020 September 18 in the charge khui jam when COVID with pandemic oh kio the meeting pam ka pai ka chung kharak ni pandemic with lunglin jenda sometimes assembly ka pam hila idum we chiwi manpower chili lai da khlai kigla we reporters being arui kigla being assembly officials being COVID ka jaw maka bai le ken meeting hila khoshon na ma ji pai jenda arui hi pharak ta ni maning ni ja da idum sak phai ka chung le we have not made arui marriage divorce ka sa yang marriage we law la ma se ek la ma sem rang isi asu Hindu marriage act le la jang arui isum arui jimang ning la ka chung khale customary headmanship we adu da ka chung khale sem khoi within this period le corona thailand ko bai ka chung sem re village authority act 1956 ma chat na pai mra jen chi isina subcommittee aga pangla asi report ra da ari report chila isin adopt sai la state government de jo gain hi bill form na khira khwai hi jang bill form na khira khwai sai re chen ajon dang 20th June 1972 we thili forest jang forest reserve forest on gai bing ji ka dong khigla hi ma chat na pai mri ji isin resolution khoya re la ji tha ka chung sai re jena hili arui within short period hili milestone ka chung khui gai ne hi khareli masa lak rang ga jin arui resolution ga thai village authority act 1956 li siam kha ja ajura sung da implement la masa tha dormant ni gai ni la kha ju isi adopt la sai re jila arui mi ka gai asin da assembly li khui ka re jena arui forest we khigla jila sai re arui idham sagi dagle arui idham inheritance we khigla we marriage we custom tradition we khig thai la shem khai chung le le
khrijan ka sala ring pham man da le arui la thada interesting sala gai question tik le le fe ojali ga jong ganing she arui ri hi thada ADC HSC with subject matter akhane kha kisa da ADC election masala super session aina ra hai ka hai hili HSC pa shi hi khiwang du mamudu lak la pam hau kala laga hi tha da saba kha ADC hi la sashmit khami shok pai da thai khwa ma lai do
khigla hi na hang jim su aroi ADC hi hill area committee main part akhan kaja power and functions mi gai hill area li mi gai ADC na execute service autonomous district council na sagis jenda isi na HSC na tuimam ne khigla ma sam ne ji ngoi re kibangra jiga adang ina khangje hill area committee hi ba legislative ne idum song resolution pass hala jihore executive liya he is how lo the jihore executive na magsane idum na resolution pass ha ga firstly 8 October 2020 li election ni thakta sam yaw lo ji hangai rezla jiwi thili la jiwi thili da second resolution pass ha lo 12 April 2021 ni da resolution pass ha la thaklan saw lo na thum namasara mra jiga governor li mi kaw lo rule athi sur dal ka bihar rezla isi hill area ba atam ni hi hang de lejla arui rules of procedure and conduct of business lika ka bi na khigra jega hill area committee na resolution pass ha laga miga gai hi assembly na or state executive na hi implement masara mra jega governor li mikalo governor na final awi tuizina final and binding sarek jin jena ajon thang 12 April ka bi gai jin na thum namasara mra jega rule a thisur ka bi thada na tum the governor le jowa wa lo the ka bi gain
Manipur we budget fund hi Kapung district level 30% katha mang mi kala tambak le na 70% katha mi hi khiu wang khala
isi we personally in the question nang han 30% 60% 70% ka chen no khuida he with data he was thada here same exactly 30% mirak jimla for example the PWD chilo jang PWD division Ukhrul division laidle Kamjong division laidle division na he program shemra da athumu iji with division program shemla mikan division ka tong ling right cha dang yerjin say for example there are some schemes which is based on population and there are some schemes which is based on geography topography based ka salale jad chung kham scheme being he population the base ka sana chung mai jila jena asina tampak ta hang wei tuine aru ili hang lo jaga 60 mla leidak leile 40 he with 10% lamak ga area hele concentrate ka sano aru in hangjing ji Kamjong he more than 2440 square kilometer ka hak ni jila whole Imphal Valley it is hardly 2000 square kilometer 40 mla na khale apam liba iwi area na hak mai jila 40 mla le kya mi 40 mla 2 crore 80 crore whereas hiliba 2 crore tambak liba population dense population lai jena lai singjamai 2 square kilometer long le ka tong le is here 2440 square kilometer singjamai 2 square kilometer li mla akle le thangmai ban 1.5 square kilometer li le ya school 3 square kilometer le hikthale re kisang ji athum hi tangible sa thada ka thang ra thai pai gi la issue we for example issue we khu simlak makuli la football ground na sembira ara kadam naw long bing na sport kata bing hi ground mak le sport ta surgeon aju mla fan kali bahau dang han certainly long naw kya raijan long sambu long aji kadam naw long jingso kadam naw long or hi we jingso ma bi thel we adu da sport i tong sport ngreu kum ga ji da ground football ground mati phanga da sem dale football mati phanga ga sem hi Imphal liba population 2000 3000 wang football ground asiam idhum the population 150 200 wang football ground asiam simlak sa ka khlei ba wang le football ground emau nang rai chak ji chen hili crowded side idhum hili pamai athum mi thai mai la now see idhum phungyar kendra yenglo tambak bing na hang mai dak lenda how you can develop like that kya khata 2440 square kilometer hi whole tambak dil hak mai jila songfu sem sar le football ground sem dale jena hili 30% ne 40% ili hang lo ji yonre hi wa yang asi we division wise na ngayar khangrok le are khigle songai na subdivision na ngayar khangrok le then there's no hard and fast rule ka phungni 30% mire tambak li 60 70% mirak jimalem jiwangui re
yarina khayang lela tambak we MLA ping na ping aina ari ka phungwe MLA ping we ot ka sali khang dai ku chung khalai kap tale laka fund project khui ko ong lela tambak wa we matha khamai tha la thayawe hi ka tha khai kala khina khala ki che ma hang bai ra
arwi we nanda first question jiling sundala tamba we MLA bing chungmai samang jilam malai honda ili hang lojika ajo phungyer MLA na chungmai fan khuya da athamaring phala pam da klenda ina chungmai khuya da hang da klenda ajon nang Kamjong li chief minister ka laga ana chili go to village with program ka sali na thum ka ka theire chili inauguration akhawe foundation stone le sa khwai we chili plate ka haiji number ji masan chili yang ra at one time ni chi sak jin chi tha ka idum tamba we MLA bing na samay ji mle athum ya news aru media coverage chi chung media coverage chung hau chen athum na athum hand sanitizer bottle akha mask thumra khamien dang da photo nam la khigla sad le la TV li ung de le la aru tang khul li la chik thak chung le thada yaru li consent khlei thada hand sanitizer or mask thram ku mi la ti media we coverage khui ga ka chung le mai dei hi we tampak we mi bing wa rashi la ga ka jang kha sa da sa ka thada sa le ma ji thada khigla sa la ga media we attention khui ga public attention khui ga sa asiu li chi chung mai ji la isiu li media khui ga se je hili wa media la asiu lupa sa ngai na khigla li media le jang sap le isi we gari la wai mira media le jangra je gari la wai sakra phajat langran mira athum we khigla media le wa sang wai phaisa la mi fra chen isi wang media than ga la saklak jila chotlak jila chen coverage si makhuirar mane pocket le ga chong ka sem gai le isi we 2400 square kilometers squeeze into 5 kilometers ase or 10 kilometer li sa se la kahak ki chi development like hai squeeze in sa la apam li hai lo la tambak ping li hen mai da sar kamjong we head infrastructure development sa dak le na thum la theire shongfu sem dak le sim sa ka dak le women hostel sem dak le or working women hostel girls hostel sem dak le chili one stop center sem dak le chili sambab na mandap sem dak le sandam khuimre list long list le chen hi tha da public na lam khuim mir no hang si jaga aju isi kamjong district na ya kamjong district na major line share khuid le ji yarum gali hangai pai
ning share o jale real leife question mo go brang re politics li ram le hiran ka rak hai atam hile yari wang ojan rin ka sa ot manga kya ka sa khu hai ra kala kya ka khiwi pong ni sami khawai kharin sali laga odrin bingje ojan specific sa da mahangwi bai ra
khigle hi in the rin laga khang adang in the khang jine firstly la hangai re aru isi we hi self sufficient mili depends ala mok thik vai hi i we kharin dala kham tai kharin chikha shong fu thong idum market even market hila idum khalatawe idum khalatan manage ka sa hin jen arui jangwa idum hi legalize halakena ta da market ki khang de adu da hi isi namli wangli kingsheng joro arui skip pilong jen hoimin thana hibing hile arui mohopok rang jen ji hopok wa hi arui process lik jat no on the process kak hang dei we chis how the he was shong fu thong sa with the khreli jatna ga sa sam we no or MNRGS we no or khang te scheme macha masu neglect sa khai lam len ka tong khreli mi ga sa jili ma tham me the mi sar le the khui yu shong le hang ji ga jen aru hi network tha sangai ra power supply ma tha sangai re 146 villages clean Pungyar Assembly constituency 146 almost all any settlement hila kila water supply scheme sangsar gain within this year will be implemented all around 58 villages are young and old sadly after this are khangte ga tai bing ja are hopuk ki de le jen hili water supply problem lemre if implemented properly water supply scheme sangsara re jen are issue way school building are issue way hostels kamjong le girls hostel le siam de le athang in gang girls hostel le siam le working women hostel le siam de le chili one stop now pray now sinau bing sim ko domestic violence we problem khale bing jili high kwa one stop center lately aroi kamjong hi district hospital le jini infrastructure ma le mani aroi malaim da aroi ICU room khani aroi siam da le operation theater gi malai samne aroi operation theater siam da le yangena jen ji within this week or maybe next week most likely we are going to inaugurate la saure chang china arui hi we power supply hi arui higla hi development the power supply tai lak china arui gamnom we 11 by 33 kV substation la jakum inaugurate sakai inaugurate saira ar power supply midle china arui kamjong we je khareli just 5 MVA lamakala 2.5 MVA na ka whole kamjong town ni 2.5 MVA chaksa ara 5 MVA and the side power supply increase hagan ramphoi lila propose hidle 33 by 11 kV aroi kri hangli the sadle industry sapai khwai ga jin hi ara timber we o adu da we idum wood craft we khangatei we ka chong ba sak bai le la jikda sabai mo khai hiwak la ka som we inaugurate sa da ka som lum thalan chatle jiwa jingli aroi number sili la 33 by 11 kV substation sadle sakwa aroi gdong ku baire aroi haupuk gidil le jena police border police outpost na we wildest dreamly nam juk sala namli police station le da ara namli police station le de border trade haupuk hoida namli police station le ara skip li police station le border je police station hai kai ara hiwi isi we custom office la so wa are proposal mi are custom office la so wa sadle slowly isi we hi development incremental basis in kagizla at one goes special economic zone with Taiwan at one go hita the pamin sa wa idum basam leila then the most important thing is we have to create necessity dakar hi jithai gizla then arui namli wangli kingseng arui jiwi joro arui khigla skip belong jiwi area ji in na we tangkhul express with through en yang in yaru request sangai appeal sangai idumna border area any one of the station border area le dak lai bing hili tapam laga hili mi pam hai ka chili development le hai ka aje mathang isung we lainga fujil la rai sang maman gis la thada atui mang na matui re pam ga chang se chili maram re aru ya mi tra khal pam ro aru wangli market li aru register cha kai ara khigla around saphunga sathru kai re simlak la le chungai cha namli la jing ra cha sadle kingseng le jing ra cha pilong la around 500-600 okai ra asila chen hi mi hi full fledged le ra pamai ka leim nga full le phunga ra le phunga ka chin ayar we investor bing la ra chi root sem ra SJ sem ha ra la chi we dream no ina mili depends ala ok thi in thum na chi da pamai ka lenga fu shema mi pamai ka school la college la hospital la khamtha tha mi le ha ka chira sargi jini chen idum na imphal li khangte li da akjang da chin thui ga chili phathui ga hi masala yang chen na khanghan chili David sa khai kam thei thur chang in hang dak le then hi ga tha ka sa hi teu mai ka sa khai ni aru hi pipeline ni le surgeon pursue is national highway aru most of the roads major road being national highway li on sarai rezla on sarai ring road aga sem gi dakle aru hi ring road you kham ta objective hi chini road wi liba kamjong district lung le ring road aga le gisla sangsak wena yang Fins corner sangsak chen ta la maku kamjong ara nambisa kangpat chen arui kangkum kasung chen ka laga chili arui kasom กระชมกาแล้วก็จีเวนอะไรหงไปเวนกาแล้วก็อะไรสิงกับสิงตามาเราสิงตาเช่นจีหลวงพูกาละลำบุยเช่นฟินสกอนะจีริงรถมันนิ่งละถ้าตะกุยเอากิจละเช่นอาลุงจิลีแอปเปิลก็ขายได้สักขายได้แอปเปิลสักขายได้อาลุงจิลีสังสักเวนขายได้กิจละเช่นพุงยาเผาแล้วก็ชดบุงเผาแล้วก็อะไรอาทั้งหมดบุงตุงจิลีตากิจละจะได้อาลุงทุ่งลิจัดเอาเลยเช่น road infrastructure ฮีอะไรอิสิเวคิกเลยฮีshortcut จัง shortcut หินนะพุงยากำจงฮีช่องฟุกุไปเลยพุงยาเนี่ยกำจง direct link เลยอะไรจิละสังสักไม่กล้าลืมเลยเช่นน่ะพุงยาเว้นน่ะอะไรคิกเลยนิ่งทีตาแล้วก็อะไรกะกะค่ะor กังอะไรบุ้งปะขนมกาแล้วกะกะค่ะแต่ช่องฟุเสียไม่รู้กำจงเนี่ยพุงยา direct connect เอาเลยเช่นน่ะพุงยาเนี่ยอะไรก็สมหิละอะไรจะว่า connect เอากิจละอะไรสดเดียวนะสดเดียวนะคำลังเว้ยอเมริกลิกันเด็กสักกันเช่นอะไรอลังจังอาคันนะอะไรกังเว้ยอลังอะไรไม่ยอมพุงเผาแล้วก็อลังก็แล้วก็จิกกระเพราอะค่ะเช่นอะไรจริงว่ารำพูยเว้ยนะอะไรกระชุงอะไรกังกุมกระชุงกระเพราจีจิตาก็รถอินฟราสตรักเจอร์กูบอกว่าเช่นอาทั้งอินนะครับborder road ปาจีจีเลยให้ค่ะIndo-Myanmar Friendship Roadway, parallel road aga, Shemau gizne. Jena, hi Shemai ka idum hi Pungyar Kamjong district jaws. Kamjong district aruiba, cornerly ledakle. Later on, hina gateway sagizne. This Kamjong district will be the gateway for not only for the Tangkhuls but for all highway. Northeast Act East policy this will be the alternative route for the Northeast Act East policy. Chen he will plan ne chen he ong ra man de le chen ka chung khala sai re list long list le thanga in na news li pa khwa in list ki dong ni
Think shi na ya oja thada nguni zo ne le de kla ya oja na thada shim khurivang awivang no wang mang ma phaning la thada yaruvang ko tong wang phaning bi laga thada rek samkhura ka vai apong nanda sem ga man ga build up sam man ga no ot manga kar khuidek le ji thai laga ko chung khanding shi arui la no ot manga oja ot manga ko chung khalai fe chilila thada itum la ko tom jing rek ji hangai e ara question la ko chung gang hangai fu jine ka ba atam da mak le wa t-shirt da last question akang hanau ge Ari Manipur we tribal da Ari re tagar sa mai thu igaje khikla gaje oja we opinion mahang mi paira
He no we he tuiba he ya khreli mi akan lang hanar ili ya hi mathai hi ka tong gali imang lim ning la MLA ka tong ling han sak ngai minister bing ling han sak ngai Ari hi feel cái chung khali hang kwai le kham ma tai la khai na aji ya ina na question ka nga ni akhma hang ka chung khale chili ili ma tai mai thui ge je ag hang education will le infrastructure development will le hi wi khang te wi le ja ara ina hang ngai pa hina forest jang there is a big misconception idum way misunderstanding or kathangra idum way tribals being and government way government na keep haning li laga tribals being na keep haning hi way makhang shun akhlais forest department na forest and environment na phaning dak le hi na khigle thing rong khar hai matik chimen la ha this is forest ka jino chen thing hi no we yam kui wen thing ham lui wen shok la na ramli no we ramli lui jili or kapung jili khardak lai mi akhana khigla mang han la rat te out la rat out la jili mukhon char mang mudla iwini na wini da hangla akhwa ba na na yang thing ji lot sa khoi le hili shok yang la akhwa le sa de malaim la hili lambui li ara khigla li are kida hi yang popili are forest basin na katha the thing to take ra athum to khuyadla even shibain are khigla assam rifle basin tukla na we ramwen to take la khui kungla na we nek jilla nimla ramli na we la ayar shok le da akhwa le de jenda forest any khigla sa dam forest ping na athum we ne da khui jilla Pradakya or Ramhi. Adam Hunakalaga, Idum with Ramhi, Gadong Forest and Leon. Sadakle mo only Jatka. Reserve Forest declares hardly. Any Tada Chili proposal Atom declares our. He will foot hilly like the clay. More than 19 villages. He Tawai Riha, Lamlai Ramray, Chatong, Arui Kigla. Lasipung are silent island he wake kigla like watching are he went talaga like the how are pungton chakma he that like the foothill villages all reserve forest on ara ek gaina dunga shun laga miradle idom na ramli apanga ting the kibara sabkra the bundle jena idom mi kachang khadane ya forest gaji a time will come. The hungry moak by later. A time will come when you cannot cut trees. Environment consciousness henmaman itum ram he young itum the access malay kangai malay la raugis. Jen ari sak pa entang the eva kapung lay bingi. Horticulture farming jang forest la sa like cash crop like issue a thairong gathai ling laga. Chigthai showing in the Kasana Pamik Jade the Queen. All tribals being in the Hangaiva, we have to have a collective Jia Kilasasi, Manipur way, Ekatakashem, Logashem, Arik, Jonga tribals now Kila discriminates Haghai, Ekachungala lately, implement Maxala Kachunga lately, Chigthajimning. Kamataya Ari forest by forest we hilly. Conscious kasa laga khoka sa laga fight kasa darkar sarek ji in hangai
ojali ning shi chung mi le itum na yari bing na doubt le de khle kla mathai wa re le de khle zai corrige la ojana mathing re kaina tharzar re kaina itum le hang chai mi khai chewang ojali ku chung ka ning shi mi de le aja didi bashina ishi team na ojali request kharadam ji thanda ojana mathan to paina awi no we ot ngalang gazar ya khle sal jibing jino thasar laga ya che ishi team we wang da sharu khumi da he ga hile kutom khami chi wang la ojali ku chung khaning shi mi dele arila chatbagi jo ojawi mi rin phekar sangal le fe chidila verana somi da shim khurlir no kala no we ot manga lir no verana somi da manga khawa kala ringa pha mai khya je samang lak no gi he titi yu shongai la thada hang khangai ne ning sila kai roja yari na doubt le de khle zai kor he ajawe interview ka sa hile clear sa hi ra da khuya ajawe exclusive interview hi hina khanga chang sa hi ra